Pro Display XDR will be $49.99 for the display itself. And the nano texture version will be $59.99. The VESA mount adapter will be $199, and the Pro stand $999. And like the Mac Pro, they'll all be available in the fall. So that is the new Mac Pro and Pro Display XDR. Now back to Tim.
Thank you.